This video will compare the 3 best iPhone apps for video editing, discussing their pros and cons and helping you decide which one is the perfect fit for your needs. Whether you are a beginner or a pro looking for simple edits or advanced features, we've got you covered. So without further ado, let's start with the first one, VN Video Editor. This app is a game changer for both amateur and semi-professional video editors. And here's why. The first one is about cross-platform compatibility. Not only is VN available on your iPhone, but it also has a desktop version. This means you can start editing on your phone and finish on your computer, syncing your projects across devices seamlessly. This feature is perfect for those who are always on the move and want a flexible editing workflow. Design and speed. VN boasts a better design than CapCut, offering a very fluid and fast editing experience. If you're tired of clunky interfaces and laggy timelines, VN might just be your new best friend. Then let's talk about layer management. Its ability to separate video layers for elements like text, overlays, music makes it super easy to jump between different aspects of your project. Then another pro is having no watermarks. You can create clean, professional looking videos without any VN branding whenever you're exporting your video, even if you're using the free version. Also, VN has a lot of customizable export options. So whether you're uploading to YouTube, Instagram, or sending a video to a client, VN's customizable export options let you tailor your output to suit your needs. Then VN has also templates, which are made for those days when you don't feel really inspired, or maybe you don't have time to edit a video from scratch. VN offers a variety of templates where you just need to select your clips and let VN do the rest. Now let's talk about some downsides. VN does come with ads in the free version, which can be obviously a bit frustrating, especially when you're trying to edit and you are in the middle of a creative flow. Also, VN has limited creative options, which means that there is a limited amount of transitions and effects, which might be a setback for those seeking full creative control. It's great for basic and intermediate editing, but if you're looking to push the boundaries, you might find VN a little bit lacking comparing to other apps like CapCut. Lastly, there is a cap on the number of projects you can work on. This might not be an issue for casual users, but heavy users or professionals juggling multiple projects, well, this limitation could be a significant drawback. So who should use this app? VN Editor is ideal for content creators, especially those focusing on social media and individuals looking for an intuitive tool for personal video projects. It strikes a nice balance between simplicity and functionality. Next up, we have CapCut. This app is a powerhouse, especially if you're big on effects and AI tools. So let's break it down, starting with the pros. Kicking things off, CapCut's availability across desktop, mobile, and cloud platform is a huge win. This versatility means you can work on your projects anywhere, anytime. CapCut has also a rich creative toolbox, an impressive array of effects, transitions, and AI tools are at your disposal. It gives you plenty of firepower to bring your vision to life. To be really honest, sometimes the amount of effects and transitions available will make you lose a lot of time trying to find the perfect one, so just be careful with it. Then for the social media savvy like myself, CapCut's direct posting to TikTok is a dream come true. This is thanks to its shared parent company, ByteDance. This integration streamlines the content creation process for one of the most popular platforms out there. Then CapCut offers a lot of advanced features: auto captions, AI tools for workflow efficiency, text-to-speech, audio enhancement, camera tracking, motion blur, stabilization, and more. You name it, CapCut has it. Doesn't hold back on advanced features at all. Then let's talk about built-in resources. Whether it's the built-in camera, teleprompter, retouching tools, or its vast sounds effects and music library, CapCut is equipped with resources that can truly elevate your content. And also it has templates. Similar with VN, if you're stuck on where to start, CapCut offers creative templates that can spark your project and inspire your next big video. I highly suggest you try them out because they're really cool. Now let's talk a little bit about cons for CapCut, and the first one being the inconsistent interface. Particularly Specifically with the arrangement of fonts and transition, there are some inconsistencies. If you open the app in different days, you'll find that the position of the fonts or transitions you've been using has changed. And believe me, it can be frustrating because every time I want to try to find the text, I always want to use the same font, but then I can't find it because it's mixed up with all the other fonts. Now let's talk about the design, because CapCut's graphics aren't the most visually appealing, which might be a turn off for those who prioritize aesthetics in their video editing software. But if you're that person, don't worry, because the next app we'll be talking about is amazing in this. Another little problem that I have with CapCut is about the paid features. Recently, as the app evolves, more features are being locked behind and reserved for paid users, limiting access to some of its tools for free users. As of today, I'm still using the free version, but it'll be interesting to see how it unfolds. Then CapCut has also some availability issues. Unfortunately, it is banned in some countries, restricting access for a segment of potential users. Another major drawback is dependency on an internet connection for many features, which can be a problem in case you're editing on the go or are in areas with poor connectivity, or maybe you're flying and you don't have Wi-Fi but you still want to edit your videos while on a plane. Lastly, be mindful that projects in CapCut can be quite storage heavy, which could be a problem for devices with limited space. So every time you create a new project, depending on how many clips, transition effects you apply to your project, this will become heavier and heavier in your local storage. So who should use this app? I personally think CapCut is ideal for users who prefer a complete interface and are looking for a wide range of effects and templates, especially those focused on sharing content on platforms like TikTok. Finally, let's talk about Splice. This app is all about simplicity and sleek design. And here's what you need to know. Let's start on a high note. Splice has a slick and user-friendly interface. If you're someone who values a clean, intuitive design in your editing software, Splice could be up right your alley. And it's super easy to use. Splice keeps things simple. It focuses on essential features, making it very straightforward to use. This is great news for beginners or those who prefer a no-frills editing experience. And for the social media enthusiasts like myself, Splice has got you covered. It includes features like social media margins, which are designed to act as a guide to help you safely position text and other video elements on your posts. As a result, when you post a video on IG or TikTok, nothing gets covered up or cropped out by the interface. Splice also has an AI highlight reel feature, perfect for creating quick content that stands out on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and others. Similar to the other apps, you just need to select a few clips and settings, and Splice will do the rest. Now let's talk about the negative aspects of Splice. The first one being that the free version of Splice is quite restricted, which might be a letdown if you're not willing to pay for the premium version. Then, unlike CapCut or VN, Splice is more niche, resulting in fewer tutorials available online. And this can be a drawback for those who rely on online resources for learning and troubleshooting. Another big downside is Splice's dependency on an internet connection. You'll need to be online to work on your projects, which can be obviously very inconvenient if you're on a move or have an unstable internet connection. Lastly, the number of free saved projects in Splice is limited. The music library is less extensive compared to some other apps. This could be a constraint for those who work on multiple projects or rely heavily on a diverse range of music options. But who should use it then? I think Splice is perfect for beginners in video editing and those maybe who prefer a minimalistic, easy to navigate interface. It's great for personal projects like family videos or quick social media posts. Each of these three apps has its unique strength, so choose the one that aligns best with your needs. Happy editing, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone photography and videography videos. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.